Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites so the fixes will apply. Check Settings Windows Update and install all pending updates. Once done, restart. You must sign into the Microsoft Store with the same account used previously and make sure your region and app permissions match. Next, search Start All Apps with the exact app name to confirm it's missing versus simply unpinned. Follow these quick checks first so deeper steps target the real problem. Once you know the app is actually missing, open Settings Apps Installed Apps and try Repair or Reset. That can restore UWP apps without reinstalling. If not, reinstall from Microsoft Store while signed in. For stubborn system apps, use PowerShell to re-register apps packages with Add Apps Package. Make sure to run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano so corrupted system files don't break app registration. These steps fix registration. You finish by confirming the app isn't tied to a different user profile. If it is, sign into that profile or move the app data. Create a restore point now, then test reinstall. If multiple apps fail, consider an in-place Windows 11 repair to keep files but restore app components. If problems persist, clear store cache with WS Reset, test another user account, and then contact Microsoft support. One key tip: keep a system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.